Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Easy Talk English, the place where we make learning English simple, comfortable, and a lot of fun. I'm Mia. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome. Come in, sit down. We're really glad you joined us today.
Jake, how are you doing today? You look very cheerful.
Yeah, I am cheerful. I had a really good morning, Mia. I went for a walk outside and the air was so fresh. It smelled like rain. You know that smell after it rains?
Oh, yes. I love that smell. It's called petrichor. Petrichor. Petrichor.
Wow, that is a fancy word. Petrichor. Okay, I learned something already, and we just started.
Yes, see? English is everywhere. Even the smell of rain has a name.
That is wild. I love it. So Mia, what about you? How are you feeling today?
I am feeling wonderful, Jake. And honestly, I am a little nervous, in a good way, because today's topic, I think it is going to really help a lot of people. Like, really help.
I think so too. Today we are talking about something very important, very important. We are talking about how to train your brain to speak English.
Yes, train your brain. Not just study English, not just memorize words. Train your brain, like a muscle.
I like that. Like a muscle. When you go to the gym, what do?
You lift weights, you repeat, you sweat.
You sweat a lot. I know. I go to the gym on Tuesdays and I sweat like a snowman in the sun.
A snowman in the sun, Jake, that is a great image.
Thank you. I thought about that for a long time. Okay, but the idea is the same for your brain. You train it every day, a little bit, and it gets stronger.
Exactly. And before we go into our tips today, our beautiful, life-changing tips,
Life-changing, big words.
they are life-changing. But before we start, we have a small, tiny little request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you are enjoying this podcast so far, please give us a thumbs up. Just tap the like button. It takes 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
And please subscribe to Easy Talk English. When you subscribe, you never miss a new episode. And we make new episodes every week.
Every week. So subscribe so you don't miss anything. And tell a friend. Do you have a friend who is learning English?
Of course you do. Send them this episode. Share it. It's free. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring, yes. Okay, let's get into it. Let's talk about training the brain.
Let's do it. So, Jake, tell me, when you want to say something in English, what happens in your head first?
Okay, honest answer.
Honest answer.
First, I think it in my language. Then I try to find the English word. Then I think about the grammar. Is it right? Is the verb right? And by that time, the conversation already moved on, and I missed it.
Oh, that feeling. Yes, so many people know that feeling. It is frustrating, right?
Very frustrating. You know the idea, you have it in your head, but getting it out in English, it takes too long.
And that is exactly what we want to fix today. We want to help your brain skip the translation step. No more think in my language, translate, speak. Instead, think in English, speak in English, direct, fast, natural.
That sounds amazing. But is it possible?
It is 100% possible, I promise. And it starts with our first tip. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go.
Tip number 1, label your world.
Label your world. Okay, what does that mean?
Get small pieces of paper, sticky notes, little yellow ones, and write the English word for everything in your house. Stick it on the object.
Oh, like put a paper on the refrigerator that says refrigerator.
Exactly. On the door, door. On the window, window. On your cup, cup. On the mirror, mirror.
So every time I look at the mirror, I see the word mirror.
Yes, and your brain, slowly, it starts to connect. You see the thing, and the English word comes first, not your language. English first.
That is so simple. Why didn't anyone tell me this before?
I know, simple things are the best things. I did this when I was first learning Spanish. I put sticky notes everywhere in my apartment. My roommate thought I was crazy.
What did she say?
She walked in one day and she looked around and she said, Mia, what happened in here?
What happened in here? I love it. But did it work?
It worked so well. After 2 weeks, I didn't need the notes anymore. The words were just in my brain, automatic.
Automatic. That's the goal. Okay, tip one, sticky notes. Label everything. I'm going to do this tonight.
Do it tonight. Okay, tip number 2. And this one is my personal favorite. Narrate your life.
Narrate my life. Like, talk about what I'm doing?
Yes, in your head or out loud if you can, describe what you are doing in English, like you are the narrator of a movie. Your life is the movie.
Oh, interesting. So, like, I am walking to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I am looking for something to eat.
Perfect. Exactly like that. Keep going.
I see eggs. There is some cheese. I will make an omelet.
Yes, Jake, that was amazing. You just narrated 2 minutes of your morning in English without translating.
You're right. I didn't translate. I just said it.
Because you connected English directly to the action. Your hand opens the fridge, your brain says, I opened the fridge. No middle step.
That is a game changer. Okay, so how do I start? What if I don't know the word for something?
Great question. If you don't know the word, describe it. Say, it is a thing, it is small, it is round, it is red. And later, look up the word.
Oh, so I don't stop. I keep talking. I keep the flow.
Exactly. Keep the flow. Don't stop for every word. Fluency is about flow, not perfection.
Fluency is about flow, not perfection. I like that. Can I write that down?
Ha! Please write it down. Put it on a sticky note.
Yes. Okay. Tip two, narrate my life in English, like I am the star of a movie.
You are always the star, Jake.
I try. All right. What is tip three?
Tip 3 is about something we do every single day, but we don't usually think about it. It is called self-talk.
Self-talk?
Yes, the things you say to yourself, in your head. You know, when you wake up in the morning, what do you say to yourself?
Honestly, I say, 5 more minutes.
In your language?
Yes, definitely in my language.
Okay, so what if just those small moments you switched to English?
Like, 5 more minutes. But in English?
Yes, I am tired. I don't want to get up, but I have to. Okay, let's go. Simple, short sentences, but in English.
Oh, that's a small change. A very small change.
Small changes every day equal big results over time. 1 month of English self-talk, your brain starts to feel English. It feels more natural.
It becomes your default. English is the default.
Yes, that is the goal. English becomes your default language for thinking.
Okay, I want to try this. I'm going to set my alarm tomorrow, and when it rings, I will say, in English, "Good morning, Jake. Today is going to be a good day."
That is beautiful. And you know what? That kind of self-talk also makes you feel good. It's not just English practice. It's good for your mood, too.
A language lesson and a therapy session. 2 for 1.
I love it. Okay, are you ready for tip 4?
Hit me.
Tip 4 is the shadowing technique.
Shadowing. Like my shadow?
Like your shadow, yes. When you walk in the sun, your shadow follows you. It copies you. In shadowing, you copy the speaker.
Copy the speaker. So I listen and then I repeat.
Almost. You listen and you repeat at the same time, or just a few seconds after, like an echo.
An echo. I see. So if I listen to someone say, "I went to the store this morning,"
You say it right after them. I went to the store this morning. Same voice, same speed, same music, the rhythm of the sentence.
the music of the sentence, I love that.
The rhythm and music of English is so important. It's how native speakers sound natural. And when you shadow, when you copy, your mouth learns it, your ears learn it, and your brain learns it, all at the same time.
Wow. 3 things at once.
3 things at once. Super efficient.
Okay, so what do I shadow? What do I listen to and copy?
This podcast is a great place to start. But really, listen to something you enjoy. If you like cooking, find a cooking video in English. If you like news, watch the news in English. If you like funny videos, watch funny English videos and try to copy the words.
The key is something I like.
Yes, if you like it, you will do it again and again. And repetition, repeating again and again, that is how the brain learns.
Like the gym again. You don't go once and get muscles. You go every day.
Every day. Small effort every day. That is the secret.
Okay, tip 4, shadowing technique. Listen and repeat. Copy the speaker. I'm going to do this on my commute to work. I put in my earphones, I listen, and I repeat quietly.
On the bus, in the car, walking outside. Perfect times for shadowing.
This is great. Is there a tip 5? I hope there's a tip 5.
There is a tip 5, our final tip, and this one is about habits.
Habits.
Yes, we all have habits, things we do every day without thinking. Drinking coffee, checking your phone, brushing your teeth.
I definitely check my phone too much.
Me too. But here's the idea. Take one habit, just one, and attach English to it.
Attach English to my habit?
Yes. For example, every morning when you drink your coffee, you open one English podcast, just while you drink your coffee.
Oh, so the coffee and the English are together. My brain connects them.
Exactly. After a few weeks, when you make coffee, your brain automatically thinks, oh, English time. You don't have to force it. It is already a habit.
That's really smart. So I'm not adding more time to my day.
No extra time needed. Just use the time you already have. Coffee time, shower time, walking time.
I used to play games on my phone when I wait for the bus. What if, instead, I listen to an English podcast?
Perfect example. That is exactly it. Switch the game for English, just while you wait. 10 minutes.
10 minutes every day.
10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours one time. Consistency, doing it regularly, is the most important thing.
Consistency. Do a little every day.
Every single day. Your brain doesn't need big explosions of information. It needs small, regular, comfortable doses.
Comfortable doses. That is a really nice way to say it.
Thank you. I've been thinking about this topic for a long time.
Okay, let's review everything. Can we review? I want to make sure everyone remembers.
Yes, let's review. Review is so important. When you review, you remember more.
Okay, tip 1.
Label your world. Put sticky notes on everything in your house. Connect English words to real objects.
Tip 2.
Narrate your life. Talk to yourself about what you are doing, in English, like you are the star of a movie.
And I am the star. Tip 3.
Self-talk. Change the small conversations in your head to English. Your first thought in the morning, your little comments during the day, English self-talk.
Tip 4.
Shadowing. Listen to natural English. Repeat it. Copy the speaker. Feel the rhythm and music of the language in your mouth.
And tip 5.
Habit stacking. Attach English to one thing you already do every day. Coffee, walking, commuting. Let English ride along.
Let English ride along. I like that.
These 5 tips, they don't cost money. They don't need special books. You just need your brain, your voice, and a little bit of time every day.
And maybe a pack of sticky notes.
Yes, maybe a pack of sticky notes. Not expensive.
Very affordable. Okay, Mia, I want to ask you something.
Ask me.
What is the biggest mistake people make when they're trying to think in English?
Oh, good question, Jake. I think the biggest mistake is waiting. Waiting until they're ready. Waiting until their English is perfect.
Waiting.
Yes, they say, I will start speaking English when my English is better. But your English gets better by speaking. You can't wait. You have to do it now. Even when it's messy, even when it's wrong.
Even when you say I is happy instead of I am happy.
Exactly. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are steps. Every mistake teaches you something.
I made so many mistakes when I started. So many.
Me too, but I kept going. And now here I am hosting an English podcast.
And you are wonderful at it. Huh. Okay, one last thing, everyone. A little homework.
Oh yes, homework. Don't worry, it is fun homework.
This week,
Pick just one tip from today, just one, and try it for 7 days.
Just 7 days, 1 week, sticky notes, narrating, self-talk, shadowing, or habit stacking. Pick one.
And then come back here and tell us. Leave a comment below. Which tip did you choose? How did it go?
We love reading your comments. Seriously, it is one of our favorite things.
It really is. Sometimes I read your comments and I feel so proud of you all. People from all over the world working hard to learn English is beautiful.
It really is. Learning a language is one of the bravest things you can do. You are opening a door to a whole new world.
A whole new world. And we are here with you every step.
Every step. Okay, everyone, before we say goodbye, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to Easy Talk English. Hit that subscribe button. It is the best way to support what we do.
And share this episode with someone who needs it, a friend, a family member, a classmate. If this helped you, it will help them too.
Sharing is the kindest thing you can do. Okay, Jake, any final words?
Yes, to everyone listening right now, your English brain is already growing. You are training it right now just by listening to us. You're doing great. Keep going.
I love that. Keep going. That's it. That's everything. Keep going.
Keep going, everyone.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We will see you in the next episode. Take care, be kind to yourselves, and